Oh.
Don't worry, Susie, you're not even in the frame.
Good.
Yeah.
What are those noises coming out of you? What are those noises?
From my toes.
Look at this comb over he's rocking already. Pick up. Ha ha ha.